Welcome back to another C# lab video. We will be working through the third activity from session 5, which requested that we sort an array of numbers, and we are to display the array as its original form and then in descending order. So, first thing we need to do is define the array, which is a set of numbers, so it's an integer, and time to enter the sequence of numbers from the activity. Now, as you'll notice, they are in a random sequence, 93, and finish off with 55. And this is our number array, unsorted. So next, we'll do the old console write line, and the following numbers elements in the array. And we just want to do, we could do a for, but a for each is pretty much a very easy way of doing it. For a in unum, I'm going to console write and I'm going to write the placeholder space so that there's a space between the numbers, and it's going to be a. Do we need to do anything else there? No. Alright, so that's the numbers displayed from the array. Now we want to array sort unum. So that sorts it in ascending order. Now we could do the for each and display it in that one, but that's not what the activity requests. So we want to do the array reverse unum. What are we doing there? We've sorted it into descending order, and then we want to go through and display it. So for the ease of speed, let's do this. So the following numbers are sorted in descending order. write it out again. Alright, and we want to pause the output. So we can admire our handiwork. Now I want to put a couple of lines between the unsorted and sorted and put some comments in. Alright, so this is sorting array in ascending order, and this is sorting array in descending order. And loop to display unsorted numbers. And this one is loop to display sorted numbers. So we now have a relevant name, some comments explaining what we're doing. I suppose the next step is checking to make sure it runs. Well, displayed in unsorted and in descending. I believe that's met the criteria for the third activity. So, from me, I think that wraps it up for this little coding video. Until next time, bye for now.